The bracket fits over the air intake inside your trimmer's air filter box, and the air filter cover attaches to it. During normal operation, gas will spit from the carburetor opening. The bracket shields the air filter from this fuel so it doesn't saturate the filter. The most common reason that the bracket is replaced is that the threads become stripped from replacing the air filter cover. Replacing the bracket is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the air filter cover. Now remove the two screws that secure the carburetor to the engine. Now I can remove the old bracket and install the new. I'll place the screws back through the air filter base. Now I'll thread the screws through the carburetor. I'll reinstall the gasket and resecure the carburetor to the engine. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the air filter and the air filter cover. And that's how easy it is to replace your small engine's bracket. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.